this video we'll be looking at the box cutter, a very versatile tool that some persons have within their arsenal. So if you wish to change the blade, here's a procedure that you must follow. This section here can flex. So the first thing you're going to do, push up the slider, then you're going to depress this. And if you notice what's happening, it will extend even further. So look again, the blade cannot go any further. So you will not be able to change it. What you simply do is to depress this and the blade will slide further. Now it has tabs into which the blade usually fit. So you simply remove the blade. To insert a new blade, you're going to repeat the procedure again. Push the slider all the way up, then this tab, press this tab down, the blade holder will extend even further, and you simply ensure that the blade goes in the slot. Now I don't know how many persons are aware this notch here holds a secret. So let's see what's inside. So here we have a razor holder in the event that you might need extra blades. To load the extra blades, notice there's a slot here and down here. So you simply insert, put the blade under the slot, slide it in. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and content